Hello everybody, I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And the show is over, but I'm gonna have some pictures scrolling across and some videos scrolling across from the car show down in Chino. That's right, Chino, California, ladies and gentlemen. You never know what you're gonna find when you're chilling, when you're doing what you want, when you want, how you want. That's right, Road Trip LA edition. And while we're down in LA, we're having a little bit of fun. Some old school cars from 1930s up until even 2022 is here, and over 2,000 vehicles. And it's like I said, over, but all I want to talk about here is it's just simple and short video, because this is what you need to do in life. Sometimes you have hobbies. Sometimes you enjoy doing what you want to do on your own terms. So therefore, you're out on a beautiful day. You can come down and relax. Maybe even you're into the car. Maybe you're into the motorcycles. Maybe you're into modifications. This is the kind of place that you would come on a weekend and have some fun, meet new friends, and that's just the way life is. Sunny Southern Cal. We'll talk later about this, and I'm out.